Do you want this? Open up Roblox. Then go to your avatar and make a screenshot. You can close up Roblox after that. Open up any browser and open up a new tab. And search pika.art. Click this one. Press on image and import your screenshot. Then press on Pika effect and scroll a bit down. Here are all the effects for the trend. Choose which one you want/need. And press the star icon on the right. Wait for it to finish, it can take a while. But here are the results, downloaded on the right top corner under Share.